हाय हाय फ्रेंड्स। आज हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं हाउ टू अर्न मनी फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन फ्रॉम यूट्यूब इन 2020. ओके, हाउ टू अर्न मनी ऑनलाइन यूजिंग यूट्यूब इन 2020. ओके, सो बिफोर गोइंग टू द टॉपिक, आप लोगों को स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे. यू अर्न ऑनलाइन यूट्यूब चैनल है ये. ओके, आप लोग लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. ओके, अभी देखेंगे हु कैन अर्न. आप लोग अर्न कर सकते हैं या नहीं है, ये देखना पड़ेगा हम लोगों को. ठीक है, ये डिस्कस करेंगे. व्हाट आर द रिक्वायरमेंट्स, इसमें क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स होंगे, रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या है, और व्हाट आर द यूजेस और बेनिफिट्स क्या है इसके, और हाउ मच यू कैन अर्न, ये भी डिस्कस करेंगे हम लोग. ओके, व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस. सो हु कैन अर्न, व्हाट आर द रिक्वायरमेंट्स, व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स, हाउ मच यू कैन अर्न, व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस. दीज थिंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन टुडेज वीडियो. ओके, आप लोग कर सकते हैं, कौन कौन कर सकते हैं, हु कैन अर्न, what are the benefits, what are the uses, how much you can earn, what is the process, we are going to discuss in this video. So who can earn in YouTube? So anyone who is 18 plus years of age can earn from YouTube. So this is the best platform to earn the money. If labor is your weapon, then victory becomes your slave. Okay, if labor is your weapon, then victory becomes your slave. So that is the quotation actually. So if you are ready to do hard work, then you can succeed in YouTube channel. Okay, so what are the requirements for earning money in YouTube? So requirements kya hai, what are the requirements you required for these things. So mental qualities are mentally how we should be actually. Okay, qualities of a person should be, these are the following qualities you should have. If you are creative enough, or if you have the creativity, then you are ready, you can take this job. If you have the vision means future prospects, future how the world will be, if you are able to see the world, so opportunity you can utilize. And grasping also, new for learning new things, you should be ready to learn new things also. And passion, you should have the work, you should love this work actually, whatever you are going to do. So in this, patience also you should have. Sometimes success may come later, but you should have that much patience to be ready to take that. Even if you initially won't succeed, you should be in a position to wait, and you have to upload the videos. Personality, you should have good character and good methods you have to follow. So what are the requirements for earning money in YouTube? Requirements, so once again we are discussing the same topic. So technically what are the requirements? Personality we discussed now initially. Now we are discussing about technical requirements. Technical requirements, computer you may have, laptop or computer you can have, camera, sometimes it is required, sometimes it may not be required, microphone, for audio purposes microphone is necessary, smartphone, if you have smartphone you can do everything even in smartphone also nowadays. Editing software you can download even in smartphone also, even in the system also you can use editing software. Free softwares are there, purchasable softwares are there. Screen recording software, free screen recording softwares are there available, and for cost also available. You can choose anyone. Anyhow, all these things I will be discussing in the future videos. So these are the basic requirements for becoming a YouTuber. PowerPoint also you should have the knowledge, or you should be ready to learn PowerPoint also. And PowerPoint and another free software, screen recording software is there. if you can use both of them without any other requirement also, you can do, even without camera also. Okay, so if you are able to prepare the slides and screen recording software, free software is also available, so with those things also you can do it. So you can do it. Cheer up, man, cheer up. So if YouTube is your career, then what are the benefits? What are the benefits? We can answer these things. You will get the result for hard work. Whatever you are doing the work, you will get the result for that. Okay. And YouTube is the fame you will get. Fame and recognition also you will get. And respect in the society you will get. Money also you will get. So all these things are better benefits from YouTube career. Okay. Then some more benefits also we will discuss. It is not a job. If you succeed as a YouTuber, then you will get money regularly. Even if you do not work for 1 month, then also you will get the income. So how you are going to get the income actually from YouTube actually? Advertisers will give the advertisements for YouTube or from Google ads they will give, and viewers will sponsorships also give advertisers. So that sponsorship also may be a income to you actually. And YouTube will be a platform. So advertisers will give the advertisements for YouTube. Then viewers will watch this. Then creators will be creating the videos. So YouTube will share the amount with the creators actually. That advertisement amount they will share with the creators. So that way you are going to get the amount from advertisements only. And if an advertisers come out to directly to you, sponsorship if they want to you, they can give to sponsorship to you, and you can conduct a program also, affiliate also, marketing also you can do. Okay, that way you are going to earn in this YouTube. So how much you can earn? So 6,000 to 6 lakh rupees, Indian rupees per month. So it depends on your ability and work and your videos, performance and all those things depends. All these things I will be explaining in future videos. Each and every topic I am going to cover, how to create a channel, all those things. Anyhow, YouTube is the best platform, and it's a transparent payments also there from YouTube. And YouTube is most genuine platform in the world. So you may get regularly also the income from YouTube also, if your videos and if your subscribers are good enough, if you are having good viewership in your platform. But anyhow, be ready for doing regular work. You can do it and you can earn money through YouTube. So what is the process for earning through YouTube actually? Initially you won't get, after creating the channel immediately you won't get the, so Google account you should have, Gmail account, and you should have a mobile number. Then create a channel. After creating the channel you have to upload some videos or your work, apply for AdSense also. Later on what happens, monetization will happen. Monetization you need following rules actually. 1000 subscribers you require and 4000 hours of public watch time during the 12 months period actually. Okay, this is the condition they are going to put for monetization purposes. Then only you will get the money. So all these things, anyhow, cheer up man, be ready, be prepared for becoming a YouTuber. You are going to earn the money. So definitely you are going to earn the money through becoming a YouTuber. So cheer up, you can do it. And if you require the guidance, you can have guidance from YouTube platform itself, or else I will be regularly making each and everything clearly in future videos. Okay, if you require any other thing also, how to increase the subscribers, how to increase the viewers, all those things also I will be creating the videos. So if you like this video, please like it, share it, subscribe to the channel. Now immediately you will be getting the link to the after uploading immediately you will be getting that link to you. Thank you very much. Bye. Once again I am requesting you to keep social distance and maintain mask while going outside. Keep your family safe, yourself safe. Thank you once again. Thank you. Bye. See you.